Hello students, previous chapter we learned about the heating effects of electric current. In this chapter we are going to discuss the magnetic effects of electric current. Children, you know when an electric current passes through a conductor, it behaves like a magnet. You already studied this in 8th standard. There we called this effect as magnetic effect of electric current. When current is passing through a conductor, it can act as a magnet. Here you can see one name, Christian Ørsted. He studied about the relation between electricity and magnetism and he concluded that both are related. We are going to discuss all these things in our chapter Magnetic Effects of Electric Current. Let us do one activity. Here you can see a compass, a conducting wire and battery. Children, you are familiar with this compass. You know inside the circular frame you can see a needle. This needle has two ends, you can see here. The end which is in red color, that is pointing towards the north, and we can call this as north seeking pole or north pole. The other end is pointing towards the south and we can call this as south pole. So here you can see red color and here it is pointing towards north, and you can see the needle is at rest there. So here I am going to place this conducting wire over this compass. Can you see any changes there? You have to observe now. Can you see any changes? No. Here also the north pole of that needle is pointing towards the north here. You can see no deflection here. Then here another one, electric source having voltage 1.5 volt. I am going to connect this conducting wire to this battery. Let us see what will happen. Children, here you can see now this conducting wire is connected to this battery. I am going to keep this over this compass. Let us see what will happen. Okay children, observe this. Now can you see this needle is deflecting? Can you see that needle is deflecting? Okay children, now I am going to remove this battery. Can you see any deflection now? No. Once more. Yes, now you can see the needle is deflecting. What is the reason? Let us discuss. In this compass, you can see that needle, here the needle will act as a small bar magnet. Then when current is passing through this conducting wire, that will also act as a magnet. So here one magnet is there, that is the needle there, a small bar magnet, and this conducting wire, when current is passing through that will also act as a magnet. That means here these two are interacting. Due to that interaction only you can see the compass needle is deflecting there. Okay. Children, you know if we have a magnet and if you are placing iron nail or something near to this, what will happen? The magnet will attract that material. If you are placing that iron nail far away from that magnet, can you see that attraction is there? No. So here we have to discuss what is magnetic field. The region surrounding the magnet in which the magnetic force can be experienced. Children, you know if one object is moving towards or away from another object, we can see that is due to a force. Here we are discussing about the magnetic effect, magnetic property. So here we can call this force as magnetic force, that is due to the power of this magnet. So if you are placing a material having that property near to this, you can see that is attracting. So here we have to discuss the magnetic force. Here two types are there, attractive force and repulsive force. Okay, so here we have to discuss about the interaction between two magnets. You know for a magnet, a bar magnet, two poles there, one is south pole and the other is north pole. Here you can see 2 points. This is law of magnetism. Unlike poles attract each other and like poles repel each other. Here you can see the word attract. So here the force of attraction. We have two magnets, north pole and south pole. If you are keeping on another magnet near to this magnet like this. Here you can see south pole is north pole and south pole. Here what will happen? Unlike poles, here south pole and here the north pole, what will happen here? These two will attract together. Then you can see these magnets like this. What is happening here? Due to the force of attraction, now you can see both are in contact. Why? Unlike poles attract each other. Like that way, like poles repel each other. Here you can see north pole and south pole. If you are placing another magnet like the south pole and north pole, here what will happen? They will repel each other. Okay children, here south pole repels south pole of this magnet. So here the force of repulsion. Like that way, if you are placing like this north and north pole of another magnet near to north pole of the first magnet, here also you can see these magnets will repel. Okay, these 2 points are law of magnetism. Here we are discussing about magnetic field. Then how to represent this magnetic field? For representing magnetic field, we can use magnetic field lines. Okay, their magnetic field lines we will discuss in next class.